Hey, what up, y'all? What up, y'all? It's your boy LC the One, baby. The LC the One to be exact, that is, aka Illmatic124, and not the mother gang numbers, man. But my actual jersey number I wore when I was in high school, and my warm-up jerseys on the back of my mother and chair right over there. Hey, what's up to my LC Nation, my LC gang, my LC crew? What's going on out there in there when you living? But hey, man, as y'all can see, man, this is how my evening starting off live. If y'all was on my Facebook live earlier, y'all witnessed the chaos of what I was talking about, man. For real, let me get my chair, man. Hold up. So I can talk to y'all for a second, man, about what's going on right now. And y'all probably can hear in the background, my other TV is playing. My little TV playing in the background, okay? And then, y'all hear this damn refrigerator making noise and shit. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm having a cool ending to the year. Okay? Now this TV don't want to come on, man. It's like when I got up this morning, man, you know, I tried to turn it on, and it just started blinking. The lights started blinking and stuff, man. So I'm like, what the hell going on? You know? So, when I do that, y'all see it blinking? And then come on like this. Look, that's it. So I'm like, man, what the hell going on? So I looked on YouTube earlier, and it said that it may be a fuse or something, you know. And I'm like, damn, you know, all I did was just press the button to turn the damn thing off. That's all I did yesterday, man. It's like before I go to bed, you know. That's it, you know. So I'm like, damn. Then they said it could probably be the battery from the charger, from the remote control. It's probably surging or something. But I'm like, damn, come on, man. You know what I'm saying? Why I gotta go through this shit, man? So I looked up some alternatives on YouTube. They were saying you gotta take it apart and all this and that. You know what I'm saying? To see what's wrong with it. So this is gonna be an extra extended vlog, probably like 30 minutes. You know what I'm talking about? And everything in the game with these wireframes, man. For real, because I'm trying to figure out what the hell is going on, man, because you dig, it's like this shit is crazy. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, this happening. This is happening too much now, man. It's like, you know, I got the refrigerator buzzing. Y'all hear that? Because it's starting to frost up again and stuff, and then it's not cooling. Luckily, it's hot outside. Well, it's cold outside, so my food is a little bit of temperature cool in there. So I'm gonna let that finish doing what it do and stuff. And then we got this ceiling thing over here, man. You dig what I'm saying? Let me show y'all, man. Spin it around. They don't want to finish that. So I left a message on these people's phones, man. Like, man, can y'all please finish the job, man? Because y'all fucking up my appliances, man. My damn Xbox Connect. This thing right here keep blinking on and off. I'm going to turn that on for y'all so y'all can see, man, what I'm talking about. Because I'm not making this shit up, man. It's like the light on here, like it normally supposed to light up all red, right? Now, I got the Xbox turned on. Now, when it come on, this thing just gonna be blinking. You know, it'll stay like white for a second, and then it's gonna turn off. It's supposed to stay on, and then the light's supposed to be on, like red light's supposed to be on. And then when I start streaming and stuff, you know, like on Twitch on the Xbox app, it'll show me, you know that that it's on. You know what I'm saying? The camera on. But when I do stream, sometimes I have to go into Twitch and stuff, and then sometimes it'll stay on. But my Connect started going out because of this damn drop cloth, man, the heat. And so watch it go out. It ain't gonna even stay on. Watch, it's gonna blink right off. And I looked this up and it was saying, yeah, because it's overheating and stuff too. You know what I'm saying? See that? And that's due to all because of this drop cloth, man. My man didn't finish the job in the summertime, and now it's starting to affect my damn appliances and stuff, man. The refrigerator went out 2 or 3 times. They just sent the technician out to service that, and now it's frosting up again, you know, in this winter time and stuff and shit. I'm like, man, what the these people, man, it's like they trying to give me a death sentence or something, man, over here in this apartment. It's like I owe them like a little small change, and it's about to be paid off, but I've been here 15 years, man. This shit is ridiculous. But look, y'all see that? It's blinking on and off, man. So that's what that do. So I gotta order a new Connect, but it's all their fault, man, and they're not gonna reimburse me for none of this shit, man. You know what I'm saying? It's their fucking fault. So now my TV is acting up. And I wasn't expecting all this, man. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm about to get a new TV anyway. You dig what I'm saying? I'm about to get the 49-inch TV for that entertainment center over there. But damn, man, shit. I need something to hold me off until the end. You know what I'm saying? So I got to go buy another 32S out of my budget that I don't get. So that's some more extra overtime at work, and they're about to start shutting shit down. So I'm trying to see what the hell going on, man. They tripping me out. I'm trying to come up out of this that I got a little small loan that I still owe. You know, but that's going to be done in November. So it's like I'm about to come out of this shit, and it's like this happened, but I'm not going to get too depressed about it. Okay, we still going to do the vlogs. We just can't do no gameplay right now. So y'all just keep playing my playlists and everything. So let's get to the tutorial of what I'm about to do, man. I'm about to take this damn thing apart from the back. And I'm not touching it. I'm just looking to see if a fuse blown so I can take it to get fixed. Because this is the TV that got me started and stuff, man. You know, but if I can find another one like this, I already looked. Because I'm going to need all these components. I need that 3 HDMI. I'm going to need the stereo jack. I'm going to need that right there. So that's the type of TV I'm looking for. You dig what I'm talking about? So, you know, so I'm going to start looking, you know, probably next week or something for another 32-inch that can hold me over until, and then plus a one in 1080p. You know what I'm saying? Because this is in 720 to hold me over until, you know what I'm saying, I'm able to, you know, buy the 49-inch TV. And put this in the shop and get it fixed and put this in my bedroom and stuff, man, until, you know, etc., etc. But man, let's get started, man. Shit, this shit is crazy, man. It's always something. I swear to God, man. I swear to God, they just won't let a brother breathe, man. For real, man. You know, it's always something, man. And then at work they was acting crazy and shit, man. Like I was telling y'all on my Facebook. If y'all go to my Facebook Live, that shit was crazy today, man. Okay, so I'm putting this back. So I'm gonna unplug this TV, and when I unplug it, watch this, the light's still gonna be red. That's crazy, man. So I'm just hoping it's something simple, man. I just hope it ain't no fuse, cause look at that. Plug off and it's still red. Watch, it's gonna go off by itself. I don't know what the hell that is, Jack. That's crazy. Look at that. Y'all see that shit? And it just went off. So now I'm gonna plug my charger up. This to my phone right here on this camera. Well, I got it on a tripod. I got 2 tripods with this damn thing. The one for the iPhone and then one that I got it hoisted on right now. So there we go. Okay? So I might as well get a vlog out of this shit. You dig what I'm saying? So we finna turn this boy over. I already took one screw out. Y'all probably can't see nothing, but y'all just gonna see me working it real quick. So I'm finna try to hurry up and get this shit in, man. You know what I'm saying? They got tight bolts on here and shit. Let me take my glasses off, man. This shit is crazy, man. I can't believe this shit is happening to me, man. It's like, you know, my uncle, he was telling me, like, man, Lawrence, you gotta stay prayed up. I be praying, like, I don't understand why I'm going through this shit, man. This shit is crazy to me. It's crazy. It's ludicrous to me, man, that I'm going through this. I'm the nicest person, I think, in the world. You dig? I probably can't even put no titles on this one, man, because it's gonna be, the vlog gonna be too damn long. You know, depending on how long I get and if I can get the screws off the time up. And then while I was at work, I was uploading the vlog and stuff, right? And all my titles, my shit just cut off on me and erased all my shit. All my what they call that? My projects. Cause I normally have all my stuff saved where I can go back and just, you know, I can just drop a video cause all my shit is right there. It erased all my shit, dog. Craziness, man. After I uploaded the vlog and I was about to upload another one, it erased everything, man. I was in shock, like I can't, man. I'm in shock right now, still, like I can't believe it. You know what I'm saying? Like this shit is crazy. This shit is crazy, man. So I'm taking the screws out right now. I'm taking all the bolts out, so we can try to open this damn thing up. Cause it said you gotta open up this part right here to see if it's a fuse or something that's blown. Because the other part is for the screen. You know what I'm saying? This right here is for the check to see if it's a fuse and stuff like that. So I'm gonna give y'all a close up on that shit. You dig what I'm saying? And I'm gonna name this opening up Magnavox to see if fuse blown. Open it up. I'm looking at somebody else's title, the titles that they got up there, you know, and I'm gonna try to copy a title. And it's the same thing I did with my iPhone, and I was able to get my other iPhone to come back on, you know, and I was able to use that temporarily while I got this new phone that I'm vlogging on right now, which is the iPhone 6. So I'm not gonna get too depressed, man. It's like, but I just be hating that shit be happening to me so fucking much, man. It's like, I don't understand it. Like, damn, give a motherfucker a break, man. It's all my man's fault, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't care if I do owe you a couple of $100 or $1,000 or whatever. I've been here a long damn time, man. I work every fucking day. You know, this ain't fair. This ain't fair to me. To treat me like this, man, and fuck up all my shit. Now, I ain't had no microwave in a long time because we used to have, like, pests and shit all the time all around here. And my microwave started burning out and shit because they energy over here is fucked up. It be surging so much, and it's like, man. So I got 2 more bolts, and I could take this back panel off. Well, I got about 3 or 4 of them. I got a whole bunch of them. Goddamn. Bolts every motherfucking way. So this probably will be an hour-long little video, and I probably won't be able to put no titles on it because, you know, I'm not trying to do all that on my damn tablet. You know what I'm saying? So y'all gotta just deal with it like this, man. Y'all know how I rock. But the vlogs will continue. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep doing the same thing, man. Let's keep vlogging. You know what I'm saying? Until shit get better, man. Cause I was playing, I had plans on coming back in November with the internet and shit. Now I gotta buy a whole new TV and shit. Like, what the fuck, man? This shit is crazy. Well, I gotta get this one repaired because this is the one I use to stream with right now. Unless I get this, like I said, the same TV, but I'm gonna get one in 1080p. This shit is crazy to me, man. This shit is ludicrous. I'm telling you, man, this shit is blowing my mind. I woke up this morning, man, and I was just trying to turn the TV on, and I didn't expect none of this shit. I did not expect none of this. You dig? I didn't expect none of this, Jack. Okay, so now this shit is coming off. I just gotta take 2 more bolts off, 3 more, and we finna lift this part off this back of this TV and see if something is blown or something is sticking or something. You gotta give me some fucking act right. And then they said it's a little piece, like in this damn, you know, panel thing, they can electrocute you and shit. So I'm being careful because I'm not frying my shit. You did. But you know, you gotta be handy, man, when you dealing with shit like this too. You know what I'm talking about? You know, this shit can save you a lot of goddamn money. And I was trying to watch the little fellas. They said it's a $25 fuse. You know what I'm saying? That you could buy something, or you know, that'll take care of the situation. So we got one more boat. We doing pretty good on time too, in number 15 minutes. And I just got off work, man. I didn't expect to do all this shit. And then they try to set people up for failure because they don't want to pay nobody, man. They cheap as fuck. There's some cheap motherfuckers down there, Jack. Oh, I got one more screw over here. And then we can take this whole back part off and see what the fuck is going on. You know? Okay. There we go. So I took off the back. Okay? I took off the back. I don't know really what I'm looking for, but my man was saying, look, like if it's a fuse or something, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to see if I can locate. This how it look. Look. This how we looking. Alright. And this right here, I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna pull it out and put it back in. It's like it's like a connector or something. So I'm gonna pull that out and reattach that. And this is the power cord right here. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Cause they said the power, if it still come on, you know, that's all good. But yeah, as y'all can see, you know, I don't know what the fuck is going on. You know, this controls the speakers. Well, it look like it. Yep, that's what this thing is. I'm gonna try to pull it out, you know, and just put it back in its housing. Yep, this ain't nothing but the speaker, so sometimes reconnecting shit that'll help too. And this is the power cord right here. So everything look, it don't got no damn fuse on here. I don't see no fuse on here. You know, but yeah. But I'm gonna stop the vlog right there, man, because I could probably put some titles on this shit tomorrow and shit, man. But hey, this your boy LC the One, baby. LC the One to be exact, that is, aka Illmatic 124, and not the motherfucking gang numbers, man. But my actual jersey number I wore when I was in high school. Hold up. And my warm-up jerseys on the back of my motherfucking chair. Like I always say, man, keep it pimping and avoid slipping, because they will get your motherfucking ass if you slip on that motherfucking banana peel. You dig what I'm talking about, man? And like I always say, Church of the Reverend God, we gone. Before we leave, shout out to my LC Nation, my LC gang, my LC crew. I need y'all to like this video, share this video, comment on this video, man. And most importantly of all, man, subscribe to my YouTube channel, man, and turn that notification bell button on to get more exclusive dope content from a pimp, player, gangster, hustle, all about mine, baby. And like I always say, Church of the Reverend God, we gone in 5, a 4, a 3, a 2, a 1, church. And them. And I'll be back with another vlog tomorrow and see if this motherfucker working. Church.